Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate build a support knowledge base app with Help Scout detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Help Scout website. Sign in to your Help Scout account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, locate the Docs icon in the top navigation bar. Click on the Docs icon to access the knowledge base section. To create a new knowledge base, select the New Doc button. A new window will appear for you to enter your document title. Choose a clear and concise title that reflects the topic of your knowledge base entry. Next, add content to the document body. You can use the text editor to format your content and include images or links. Make sure to organize information logically for easy navigation. Once your document content is ready, set the visibility options. Choose whether the document will be public or restricted to certain user roles. To enhance user experience, consider adding categories. Categories help users find related articles easily. Select the Categories tab to create new categories or assign the document to existing ones. After assigning categories, review your document for any errors or necessary adjustments. When you are satisfied with the content, click the Publish button. You will be prompted to confirm the publication. Confirm to make your document live in the knowledge base. To test how it appears to users, navigate to the knowledge base link. Here, you can check the layout and functionality of your newly created knowledge base entry. If you need to edit the document later, return to the Docs section. Select the document you wish to modify from the list. Make the necessary changes and remember to republish after editing. Consider monitoring user interactions with your knowledge base. Help Scout provides analytics tools to help assess document performance. Regularly update the knowledge base to keep content relevant and useful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.